Hello YouTube, Nathan Dewey here, doing my first demo in a long while. This is my most recent build. Basically what the client wanted was a cross between a ProTech Flyfather and a Bradley Kamara with marginally better features for flipping. This features stainless steel liners, stainless steel block spacers, black and red G10 that is mostly black. The red is more like a burgundy, and it does show up through the grain, but you have to catch it at the light right. Not sure if you can pick that up, but you do see a slight pattern in the flats. Titanium pocket clip, recessed T-latch. I'm thinking as I move forward that this will pretty much be the standard latch that I do for all of my ballet songs. For one reason, it allows for a lower profile, so it's not sticking into your hand. And this also allows me to easier do a domed feature. Basically how I did it is you make the latch go no farther than a 90-degree angle, and on the safe handle you round or dome the sides here so that it'll skip instead of get stuck. Here's the blade. You can see where that Flyfather inspiration is from. Kind of a triangle stiletto type blade with a false wedge. This does have Zen pins. They are hardened cobalt grade pin stock. They are press fit. They can be removed. They're not going to come out, but they can be knocked out and fitted with slightly thicker ones for wear down the road. T8 pivots, T8 and T6 body screws. I am moving away from the 440 thread T8 screws that I used to use for the body, and am favoring more these 7/64 pivot pins with 172 thread T6 screws. You know, they're smaller in diameter. They allow you to position them higher up on a, of course, a spacer. So the hardware is evenly distributed. This makes it a little bit more rigid, a little bit tighter tolerances, and also it allows me to readily apply a pocket clip. So you can imagine pocket clips to be a more prominent feature as we go along. Note that this has Zen pins. Look at the tang. Doesn't have that radical nipple. You do not need it. You just have to engineer it in a certain way. There's no big cutout here, so you can choke up. It's not going to pinch you. It can be done. Here's it compared to Bradley Kamara. It's more or less the same size. This is 5.4 ounces or 5.5, and this is 4.9 ounces. So basically, it's less weight, but it carries it more efficiently. If you, according to the preferences of most flippers out there. Again, the big block spacers, everybody wants those, opposed to barrel spacers. So, flips very nice. I don't want to play with it too much because it's already paid for, and I gotta send it out in one piece. So, one last look at the blade. Alright, that was my demo. Thanks for looking. Take care.